you upload the video you want to work with, then delete the unnecessary part, then you overlay the text, drag it to the end like this. Auto remover, now you see it's transparent. Good. Just when your hand is closed like this, you add keyframe, then move down to mask, mirror mask. Make it close so that it becomes invisible, literally impossible to see. Good. You move forward a little. When you slightly open your hand like this, add keyframe, you open it a little. You move forward a little. Good. Add keyframe. Then you spread it again. Move forward a little. Add keyframe and spread it again. Move forward to the ending where you opened your hand to it. Add keyframe. What you're going to do, you will repeat this process all throughout and repeat the process. If you did that correctly, let's watch the video. Don't forget to follow, and thank you and bye.